Hello everyone, I am Pradmesh Gupta. I am going to explain about PDB database in this video. Introduction of PDB database. The PDB is a database describing the three-dimensional structure of a protein, nucleic acid or other biomicromolecule. Must be determined by X-ray crystallography and some by nuclear magnetic resonance. Protein data bank file format is a textual file format describing the three-dimensional structure of molecules held in the protein data bank. It is available in notation of protein and nucleic acid structure including atomic coordinate, secondary structure assignment as well as atomic connectivity. PDB format is the legacy file format for the protein data bank. Search related feature. Basic search. The suggestions are grouped by attribute name indicating in the specific field or field in which the search term was found. Advanced search. Text-based queries can be combined with sequence and structure similarity search. Search result can be returned at the structure, entity or assembly level and viewed in a variety of formats, for example as summary view, an image only gallery view or in the tabular report format. Search by sequences. Search protein and nucleic acid sequences using the sequence2 method to find similar protein or nucleic acid chain in the PDB database. Visualization. Visualize 3D viewer. PDB database is a very good tool for visualization of any macromolecular structure. Next is protein feature view. It loads features from RCSB PDB web service and third-party resources such as UniProt KB, Kayth or Scope. For example, SARS coronavirus spike glycoprotein, HRAS and BRCA1. Human gene view. All human genes have been mapped to representative PDB structure protein chains. Pathway view. In a reaction pathway map, each arrow represents a reaction and each node represents a metabolite. Okay. So now I am going to explain about practical part of PDB database. So I'm write PDB and search, then open official website of PDB database and click on this, then open home page of PDB database. As you can see there a search at the top of page, we can find our protein name or PDB ID. So let's go with PDB ID for now. I am write 1C9U and search. Then open structural summary of protein. You can see here biological assembly. The biological assembly is the macromolecule assembly that has either been shown to be or is believed to be the functional form of the molecule. You can see crystal structure of the soluble quinoprotein glucose dehydrogenase in complex with PQQ. You can see download files option. In this download file option, you can download any format of file, and you can see worldwide validation, and this is a literature. You can see literature. Then was the literature section with brief information, and you can see macromolecules. It is a macromolecule section contain the information about in molecules and all the chain available in the molecule, followed by its protein view and reference sequence. Small molecules data is also present in here. A small molecules is a low molecules weight organic compound that may regulate a biological process with a size on the order of 1 nanometer. You can see here experimental data and validation. Then comes the experimental data and validation is displayed containing information like resolution, R value and length and software package. You can see structure validation. The 3D view provides a well-represented structure view for the interpretation of the structure. With respect to the sequence, remove multiple things in structure. You can see in here entry history. I am go to navigation tab and click on 3D view. 3D view is a tool of PDB database. This tool used for visualization any macromolecular structure. Okay, I am again go to navigation tab and click on annotation. This is a annotation. Few domains available in this annotation such as scope classification, cath, protein family annotation and gene product annotation. I am again go to navigation tab and click on experiment. This is experimental data. You can see X-ray diffraction. In X-ray diffraction included crystallization, crystal data, diffraction, data collection and refinement. You can see more data of experimental data included in this tool. So I am again go to navigation tab and click on sequence tool. This is a sequence tool. Protein feature viewer will display the full range of available feature, structural and biological annotation and the alignment between polymer instances, chain and UniProt KB sequences. Okay, this is article of PDB database. The single global repository of experimentally determined 3D structures of biological macromolecules and their complexes was established in 1971, becoming the first open access digital resource in the biological sciences. The PDB archive currently houses 130,000 entries May 2017. The PDB approach of using modern data management practices should permit us to scale to accommodate a large data influx. Conclusion: these are exciting and challenging times to be responsible for the collection, curation, and distribution of macromolecular structure data. Since the RCSB assumed responsibility for data deposition in February 1999, the number of deposition has averaged approximately 50 per week. However, with the advent of a number of structure genomics initiatives worldwide, this number is likely to increase. Thank you for watching this video.